Here we have our latest Disney poster coin, 5 ounce of pure silver for Disney's Pinocchio. It arrives in this themed outer box, and then the coin itself is held in this high quality display case, perfect for showing off your collectible. It's lined with black velvet, and then tucked in here you've got your certificate of authenticity. Turn over this side to find a sticker showing the coin's unique number in the mintage, which is a very tiny 200 pieces. And then you've got confirmation it's a 5 ounce of 999 fine silver. And that one just tucks in here. Now for the impressive coin, 5 ounce of pure silver. It features the film's movie poster in colour, capturing the essence of this technicolor adventure. And you've got the shiny mirror finish frame, which adds a touch of elegance. And if we turn to the obverse, you'll find the effigy of King Charles III, and that confirms the coin as legal tender. And there we have our latest Disney poster coin, 5 ounce of pure silver, with only 200 in the world. If you want this, you'll need to be quick. Head to our website to grab yours.